Good morning, students. In my previous lecture we discussed about the dataset classification. So in this lecture we'll be discussing about the types of data attributes and their measurement scales. So in statistics there are four data measurement scales: nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio. So let's discuss them one by one. First is your nominal attributes. So what is a nominal attribute, or you can say categorical attribute? Nominal is also called as categorical attributes. So let's start that nominal scales are used for labeling variables without any quantitative value. So nominal values are used for only labeling purpose. You can simply call them as labels. For example, they don't have any numeric significance associated with them. For example, our gender with male and female. I can denote 0 to male and 1 for female, but this 0 and 1, they don't have any numeric significance. They are just labels and nothing else. For another example can be like your hair colors, like black, brown, gray and others. We can associate some numbers with these hair colors, but those numbers have nothing to do with the order or the numeric significance. So such type of attributes are known as your nominal or categorical attributes. Next that comes into the picture is your ordinal attributes. So with the ordinal scale, the order value is what is important, or the or and the significant, but difference between each one is not really known. So let's take an example like we do have an order associated with that attribute. For example, how if I'll ask you a question that how are you feeling today, so that can be associated with very happy, unhappy, okay, uh, happy or very unhappy. So here the ordinal data has some numeric importance, have some significance with its numeric value, that if it is 1, that means we are very unhappy. If it's 5, then we are feeling very happy. So with this ordinal scale, the order of the value is important, the order of the value is significant, but the difference between each one is not that much, is not of significance. So this is the example of your ordinal attribute. Next that is your interval scale. So interval is scale are numerical scales on which we know both the order and the exact difference between the values. For example, the Celsius temperature, because the difference between each value is same. For example, the difference between 60 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius is 10 degree, as the difference, it is same as the difference between your 80 degrees Celsius and 70 degrees Celsius. So what the problem over here? Here the problem with this interval scale is that they don't have the true zero. For example, there is no such thing as no temperature. In case of interval scale, 0 does not mean the absence of the value, but it is actually another number used on the scale, like 0 degrees Celsius. In fact, negative numbers are also have meanings. So without a true zero, it is impossible to compute the ratios. So with these types of interval attributes, we can add and subtract them, but we can't multiply or divide them. So the next attribute is your the next attribute, that is your ratio attribute. So ratio attributes are of much importance, because It tells about the order. They tells us about the exact value between units. They also have absolute zero, which allow for a wide range of both descriptive and inferential statistics be to be like uh, for example your height and weight. Uh, so so one such type of attributes type are binary. So binary attributes are just associated with only two states. They can be symmetric binary or asymmetric binary. So what is symmetric binary? If both the outcomes are of equal importance, for example gender, male and female, they both are equally important. So such type of uh, attributes can be termed as your symmetric attributes. And asymmetric binary attribute is that attribute where the outcome are not of the equal importance, like your medical tests, HIV tests. So the positive and the negative values are of different importance, right? So these were the types of attributes. Thank you.